Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your device is ready and you have permissions. This is the fastest path to hands-free control. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, and turn on Voice Access now. Do it before launching any apps so controls map correctly. Once done, grant microphone and speech recognition permissions and enable the accessibility service. This lets the system listen and act. You'll need a stable network for cloud recognition features, so make sure Wi-Fi or cellular data is available. Next, configure commands and shortcuts so voice input maps to the actions you use most. Open Voice Access command settings, review the built-in list, and turn on groups you need. This reduces false triggers. Create custom voice shortcuts for repetitive tasks like composing messages or opening specific apps, and test them immediately. Once configured, choose a listening mode, always on for continuous hands-free work, wake word for privacy, or push-to-talk for precision, and tweak sensitivity so recognition stays accurate. Finally, put the system into real use and refine behavior through practice. Speak clear commands with consistent phrasing and brief pauses. This helps the model disambiguate actions. If commands misfire, retrain the voice model if available or reset custom mappings and reassign shortcuts. That resolves many errors. Make sure the microphone is unobstructed and reduce background noise, and if problems persist, check for conflicting apps or accessibility services. Then reboot the device to reload permissions and services for a clean start.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.